Here's how to create an online event in Eventbrite. So to do this, just go and open up Eventbrite and sign into your account. From here, click Create in the top right and select an event. After doing that, you will see something like this. So just choose the image you want and the event title and description. Then for the date and location, what you want to do is right here set it to an online event. So in the location section right here, you can set it to online event. Then you can choose the start time and end time of your event on a specific date. You can also set it to be recurring or single. And then you can add any FAQs and stuff like that right here. Then in the next section, you need to add the tickets. So next you can choose what it is. So you can add live video or audio, so you can connect with Zoom. You can also share any additional content. So include any resources or instructions your attendees may need for your event. So if you add a link, then for example, they will only get that link after they have bought the ticket. Same if you add Zoom, for example, or you can also link another provider. So just add a URL to it right here where people can actually join the online event. Then in the add ticket section, you can choose how many people can buy tickets and how much it will cost. You can also set it to be free if you'd like. And one more option is to set it to donations, so then people can choose how much they want to pay. Now, if you make it paid, again, you can do the available quantity, then here the price. Then you can absorb fees, so ticketing fees are deducted from your ticket revenue. Now you can see the buyer total in this case is $10.38 for $8. And if I absorb the fees, then I won't get those $8, I will get less. Then you can choose when the sales start and end. And you can also set up advanced settings right here. And then you can actually go and publish it. And then you will have created an online event in Eventbrite. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.